Well, it kind of looks as though the flooding on Bryant Way outside of Albany this afternoon on Wednesday is much diminished. A couple of days ago, I couldn't have walked where I'm walking now. But the road, as you may have guessed, or as you may know, is still closed. And here's the reason why. Albany is that way, and it looks like there's about, I don't know, about 8 or 10 inches of water on the highway here. And as you can see, it's creating quite a bit of a wave on that side. Several years ago, well, maybe more than 10 years ago now, Lynn County installed or built a concrete apron on this road so that when the flooding occurs, the road would not be undermined. And it certainly looks as though that was a smart move, because it certainly has worked. When you look at the flow of the water, you think that it might be maybe another day or so before this channel of the Calapooya River will go down far enough for the road to be reopened. But at the moment, it remains closed, and the reason is obvious. It has, though, as you may have noticed, quit raining, at least for now. Sun is shining. And over here on this meadow on the other side of Bryant Way is a giant lake. Now that lake empties into the Calapooya on that side over there. Well, on Bryant Way, still blocked by high water. I'm Hossa Herring, and this is HH Today.